would like to show today, maybe it will help for someone, how this ring from the front axle for the Mercedes 4matic can save you hundreds, maybe even €1,000 on repairs when you have front axle vibration on acceleration. The jacking point, which one will, I hope, help for someone. So you have it in the middle. Let's say if you want to work on the drive shafts or suspension, it's way more easier to lift the whole front of the car. And the jack point, especially in 211s, you can see it in the front. What's happening with the axle when that ring is worn out? I hope you will see that and hear it. It's loose and pretty hard. So after I will replace it, I will try to show how it looks like when the ring will be new. That's the place where the ring is located. We'll try to change it and we will see or it will help or no, because currently on the strong acceleration I have huge vibration, not huge but pretty feelable, so hopefully it will help me.